If you're wondering whether SocialBu AI is the best just released AI software for your business, you're in the right place. In this SocialBu AI review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about this tool. Stick around till the end because I'll give you the inside scoop on whether it's truly worth your time and investment. First off, SocialBu AI has a unique combination of social media management features and automation, making it an all-in-one tool that can save you tons of time. Whether you're running a business, a brand, or a content creation operation, SocialBu is designed to streamline your processes with cutting-edge AI features. And yes, you can try it for free from the first link below. What sets SocialBu apart from many other tools is how intuitive it is for someone new to digital marketing or automation. The AI-driven features help you create better content faster. Its scheduling tool can help you plan your posts across multiple platforms with ease, eliminating the headaches that come with managing social media. The automation features are a game changer. SocialBu AI isn't just about posting content. It helps automate replies, comments, and interactions based on what's most engaging for your audience. That means your social media can keep running smoothly even when you're not directly involved. Another key feature worth noting is its advanced reporting system. You get detailed insights into the performance of your social media campaigns. SocialBu's AI breaks down the data in ways that are actionable so you can refine your strategy and grow your presence on social media without the guesswork. What's more, SocialBu AI supports a variety of social media platforms, including Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. So, no matter where your audience is, you can manage your presence seamlessly from one dashboard. Plus, it integrates well with other tools, which is essential for any business owner who needs to track multiple platforms at once. The software also has a collaborative feature that's perfect for teams. You can add team members and assign roles and permissions, which makes it easier to manage the workflow, especially when you're handling large social media accounts. Now, while SocialBu AI is powerful, it's still a relatively new player in the space, and like any software, it has its learning curve. The good news is it's constantly being updated with new features and improvements, so there's always room for growth. Before I wrap up, I want to say that SocialBu AI isn't just another AI tool. It's a solution designed to maximize your time and improve engagement. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale up, this software can help you optimize your social media strategy in ways you haven't seen before. To try SocialBu AI for yourself, don't forget to check out the link below. And by the way, after trying thousands of AI tools, I've also listed my recommended AI software in the description, all of which you can try for free. Thanks for watching.